Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Airtable AI to sync records automatically. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Airtable account and navigate to the base you want to work with. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make modifications in this base. Locate the Automations tab in the top menu of your Airtable interface. Click on the Automations tab to open the Automations panel. Select Create a new automation to start the setup process. Give your automation a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Choose a trigger for your automation, such as when a record is created or when a record is updated. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen trigger by specifying the table and any additional conditions. Next, add an action by clicking the Add Action button. Scroll down and select the Update Record action from the options provided. Choose the table where you want to sync the records automatically. Select the record you want to update by specifying its ID or choosing Record ID from the dynamic fields. Now, map the fields from your trigger to the corresponding fields in the Update Record action. Ensure you select the correct field types to prevent data mismatches. Test the automation by clicking the Test button to see if it functions as expected. Once the test is successful, toggle the automation to on to activate it. Review the summary of your automation to confirm everything is set up correctly. Make any necessary adjustments before closing the Automations panel. Finally, monitor the sync process to ensure records are updated automatically as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.